Hello everyone, today I will share how I made a simple text sticker label in the Loklik Idea Studio. Click the text icon to choose your desired font. Since I'm offline, I used my computer's system font. After that, we can now start typing the text. In this video, I will make labels for the days of the week. Once we are done typing, we can now resize and drag the text anywhere on the canvas. Then, click the text. The property panel appears where we can edit the position, lock and unlock the size ratio, correct or add some text, font size, color, and thickness or weight of the letters. After setting my desired size and position, I will copy and paste the text, then edit it. I'm done typing all the days of the week, so next is to adjust the spacing of each word. In the property panel, I increase or decrease the X position value only, or you can nudge the left and right arrow in your keyboard. Because I find it hard aligning the text by dragging it even when I'm using the adhere mode function. After that, I will select all the text so I can resize them all at once and fit them inside the print marks. Then next, I will group this text so they will appear in just one folder in the Layers panel. Now, I will add a rectangle that will serve as a contour shape for cutting in the machine later. Then I will edit the shape in the property panel. I unlocked the size ratio so it will be easier to resize to fit the longer words. I changed the color to a very light gray so I can still see it on the canvas, and I did not touch the stroke because I don't want my labels to have printed borders. Then click Send to Back to place the shape behind the text. You can finally change its position in the property panel or nudge it using the arrows in your keyboard. Then select the shape layer, then copy and paste it for the rest of the words. After placing all the rectangles to each word, select all the shapes layer and group them so that they will be in a separate folder from the text. Later on, it will be easier to select the text to be printed because they are already grouped in a folder. In the Layers panel, just drag down the Shapes folder to put it behind the text. I can now select both the text and shapes and copy and paste them to fill the entire printing area. Copy, paste, copy, paste. Okay, time to print. I will click all the text folders in the Layers panel and then print it on a craft sticker paper. So printing is done, so it's time to cut the stickers. Check only the Shapes folder in the layer. Then I set the material to sublimation paper and decrease the cutting force to 3.5. Then cut. Let the cutting begin. The version 1.9.5 update of the Loklik Idea Studio really improved the print then cut function. No longer had the fail to track marks problem, and the calibration is now better. Okay, the cutting is still deep, so next time I try the cutting force down to 3. So I hope this video helps. And please comment below if you have a different method of doing things in the Loklik Idea Studio, because there are still a lot of functions that I don't know the purpose and how it works. So daghang salamat ug maayong adlaw, Loklik Crafters.
Bye.